Okay, here we are on day 2. We spent the entire day in Las Vegas and Hoover Dam. But a little piece I forgot yesterday, the Ivanpah solar plant. It's a photoreflective, so big mirrors, heating water plant in just outside of Prim, Nevada in California. A lot of controversy around this plant. It produces a lot of energy, but it kills somewhere between 3,500 and 6,000 birds a year in front of those big reflective mirrors, and they have to heat it at night, heat the water with natural gas. So some people think that's a bad deal.
We're at Hoover Dam, and I'm excited to climb the mountains.
The Grand Canyon. What do you guys think? Or not Grand Canyon, where is this? Where are we?
Hoover Dam.
Hoover Dam? Oh, I thought it was a big canyon. It's a dam? Okay, what do you guys think of it?
It's
so
big.
What'd you think of the tour?
I like this.
I liked it.
You liked the tour?
I got some rock.
You got a rock from the dam. I don't know if you tell anyone you stole a rock from the side of the dam.
Were you allowed to go at the dam when it was like that?
I'm spying on them.
Yeah.
After a successful trip to the Hoover Dam, we drove back through the Lake Mead Recreation Area. So for those of you with 4th grade kids, make sure you get the National Park Pass. This was a free ride. If you remember, one of the themes of our trip was to see old friends. We met with an old friend, William, now called Will, who I hadn't seen in about 30 years. It was great catching up. Thanks, Will.
Love you, Mommy. Right now we're in the hotel and we're going to leave to the M&M factory in Las Vegas.
Just gonna tell you why I'm excited to go. I'm excited to go because I really want to see like the M&M's personalities, and I hope there's purple M&M's.
We were a little low on charge, and the kids got a little bit of football in. That was the North Las Vegas Supercharger. A little bit of a sketchy neighborhood to be in late at night, but it was nice and indoors and in the shade. And then we headed off to the Strip and to see a little bit of Las Vegas with the kids. If you're ever at the Cosmopolitan Hotel, there's a little pizza shop. It's a secret pizza shop. It's in a hidden place, so I recommend it. Good New York pizza. The kids loved it. It always tops off a night in Vegas. There the kids are at the Cosmo. A little bit of poor planning on my part. We had to stop at the South Las Vegas charging stop and top off before we headed back to the hotel. Wow, we didn't leave the Las Vegas area, but we still got 100 miles in today. So, great day, fabulous. Tomorrow we head to the Grand Canyon.